It's like every second. You only see the big ones on the video. There's like literally one every second. Oh. A lot of them are hidden behind the clouds from here. That's northwest of here. Wow! You see that? It's amazing. We don't get storms like this back home. Yeah, it's constant. It's getting a little scary. There's still about a lightning flash every second. Sometimes bam, 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 like 3 in a second. I never seen anything like it. Wow. Like I said on the video, you can only see the ones that aren't obstructed by the clouds, but I can see constant glowing around the clouds, and then every once in a while the big ones that must be on my side of the clouds, I can see the actual bolt. Those are probably the ones you can see on the video. But yeah, it's powerful. Whew, wow. I'm just standing here with no shirt on, totally warm. It's like tropical weather or temperature. Wow. Can't stand being in my tent. It's just so hot and humid. I had to get outside. Whoa. Ooh. Wow. All right. enjoy this slash watch in fear. Fear and joy at the same time. And I'm gonna turn the video off. I bet as soon as I turn the video off, it's gonna be an epic lightning strike.